he got out of bed, he got out of bed. Be kind with birds, be kind with birds. He rode his bicycle, he rode his bicycle. She jumps rope in playground, she jumps rope in playground. I slide down on the slide, I slide down on the slide. She told me a secret, she told me a secret. Sit down and do your homework, sit down and do your homework. I bake cake and cookies on Sunday, I bake cake and cookies on Sunday. I hang clothes to dry in the sun, I hang clothes to dry in the sun. I serve the food to everyone, I serve the food to everyone. Take small bites while eating pizza, take small bites while eating pizza. Order the pizza or food online via smartphone. Order the pizza or food online via smartphone. I visit my grandparents 2 times a week. I visit my grandparents 2 times a week. She is cooking food for childs. She is cooking food for childs. She is washing the clothes in machine. She is washing the clothes in machine. I go to the doctor for routine checkup. I go to the doctor for routine checkup. I am sitting on sofa to feel relaxed and fresh. I am sitting on sofa to feel relaxed and fresh. I feel comfortable spending time with you. I feel comfortable spending time with you. I wake up early morning. I wake up early morning. I brush my teeth daily. I brush my teeth daily. I wash my face gently. I wash my face gently. I comb my hair neatly. I comb my hair neatly. I wear clean clothes daily. I wear clean clothes daily. I eat breakfast on time. I eat breakfast on time. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag.